Alright, here it is. Arrived today, got home from school, and I got HFC M190 Special Forces. Now, it's a pretty direct copy of the M9, and I'm pretty excited because this is my old sidearm. M9 GBB. It's plastic, no big deal. It's got good grips. Good Beretta grips. Hopefully I'm gonna switch the real Beretta grips for the HFC grips, but kinda worried that it won't be the same size. Anyway, here's the mag of my old plastic clear. It's got a weight in the back. Jeez, sorry. Old Springer, it's not open ejection port. See that? No open ejection. One shot, recock, one shot. So, I'm getting pretty tired of this, and I bought myself a green gas gun. Let's open this up. There we go. This looks great. I've been waiting for this a long time. First off, I got me some green gas. I don't know why it's called Air Duster, but I don't know. Airsplat can name it whatever it wants. I'm not the president of Airsplat. Extra mag. I'll open that up later. It feels pretty heavy. Owner's manual. I don't even need to read this. I know how guns work. And here it is. Here's the box. There's still stuff like, more safety papers, but I'm not gonna read it to you. Everybody knows how to be responsible, not shoot everybody. Don't shoot your dog, don't shoot your neighbor. And here it is. Oh, full metal. I think it's double action. No, it's on safety. Yep, double action. Oh, difference between double action and single action. This is single action. Single action, double action. Most modern pistols are double action. Alright, now, metal magazine. Very good. Wow, that sounded good. Open ejection port. The mag out. Yep, you see that? Just like a real gun. Disassembly. I saw disassembly on online, so don't think I'm like some gun genius, but it's pretty simple. Also came with some BBs. They're pretty crappy, so I'm probably gonna throw them away. Hang on to them for now. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to press this and switch this down. Yep. Mag's out. Slides off. It's pretty similar to my plastic gun, actually. You see all the internals there. With this one, you can actually get inside the internals. With my plastic gun, you can't. Give you a quick example. It's kind of like explaining like two guns here. Put this back, flip the switch up, ready to go. Sounds just like a real gun, actually. Pretty heavy, similar to the real gun weight, I assume. Alright, so for the plastic gun, metal, plastic. For the plastic gun, I got some mud on it, but what you do is you flip down this thing just like in the other gun. But on this gun, you have to take it out. It's not quite like a real gun. Take out the piece, don't lose it. Yeah, I got sand in it. That's my bad. This one, you can't get into any of the internals, pretty much. Yep. Alright. Save this up. Cannot wait to shoot this. Probably be a shooting test at the end of this video somewhere. Great metal sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break. Great sound. Very, very sturdy. Oh shoot. Yeah, that was right. The screws don't match up, so I can't switch the grips, but here's the official Beretta grip. See it? P Beretta. And this is the HFC made in Taiwan grip. It's got like a spider web on it. Oh well, you know, you can't pick everything, but it's gas blowback, probably has a decent rate of fire. FPS is 300 in the box, but Airsplat and Chronos on YouTube have it closer to 315, 320. But hey, it's a sidearm. You don't need a 600 FPS sidearm. I'm fine with what I've got right here. Green gas goes in there. Very, very good feeling. It's like a glove. It's gonna be some fun. Alright, thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the HFC M190. I'm going to do a shooting test and review later. Shooting test will be at the end of this video. Review will be a whole separate video, so watch for it. Peace out.